Hello everyone, welcome to my Health My Diet channel, where we give tips on how to stay fit. Today, we will be giving you the 4 benefits of eating a healthy breakfast. Before we start the video, take a second to smash the like and subscribe buttons and watch till the end because we have many tips for you. Everyone knows the saying, eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a beggar. And the advice that this proverb leaves us is strictly true. The importance of breakfast is due to the fact that during the night the body uses the nutrients that were consumed during the day and the reserves that are used for basic needs. It is essential that when starting daily activities, you eat a balanced breakfast that generates the energy component and provides the micronutrients that the body needs. Here are the 4 benefits of eating a healthy breakfast. 1. Improving your nutritional status. Eating a good breakfast helps to have higher intakes of nutrients that the body needs throughout the day. Children and young people who do not eat breakfast tend to have a lower quality diet, while those who do it daily tend to eat a diet with less fat, richer in carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 2. More energy. Without a good breakfast, we are more likely to feel fatigued and without energy in the middle of the morning and to feel the urge to eat something sweet or fatty. On the contrary, if people eat a good breakfast, the chances of these hunger attacks decrease. 3. Weight control. Most nutritionists believe that skipping breakfast is unwise, especially if you are trying to control weight. It also slows down your metabolism as the body thinks it has to save calories for the rest of the day. On the contrary, the practices of dividing the calories during the day into 4 or 5 meals will not overload the rest of the meals of the day. 4. School performance. Those who do not eat breakfast set in motion a series of mechanisms in the body to maintain blood glucose levels at acceptable levels. These hormonal changes can negatively influence children's physical and school performance. Thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.